tax of 0.25 is imposed on each bag of potato that is sold. The tax decreases producer surplus by 600 per day. So these are all permutation combinations of different parts. I have a supply curve and a demand curve, and the tax reduces producer surplus by 600, generates a tax revenue of 1220. So what will I do? I will first create this wedge. This is my tax, suppose. This tax is given to me as 0.25. And then it says that decreases producer surplus. So initially price would have been this much, wherever the initial demand and supply were meeting. So it tells me that this area, this is given to me as 600. And then it tells me the tax revenue is 1220, which means that this area, this is tax revenue. This is 1220 and decreases equilibrium quantity by 120. So it tells me that this gap is 120. Okay, now it tells me, asks me what is the, first of all, let's find the deadweight loss first. So what will be my deadweight loss? It will be half into base into height. This is my deadweight loss, this triangle. So my base is given as 120 and my height, that is given as 0.25. So 25 by 100. So this will be, so deadweight loss is 15. Actually, this is the correct statement. So now let's go ahead and look at the other parts also. This deadweight loss is 15. Suppose I ask you, just quickly try this. What is the decrease in the consumer surplus? Do it yourself. What will be decrease in consumer surplus? So you have to go ahead and find this area. This. Just try and find this once. Decrease in consumer surplus. All of you give it a try. Simple analytics, okay? Simple logic. This is my tax, huh? I am given tax revenue. I know this area. And this area is given to me as 1220. 1220. Deadweight loss I just found out. I found out this area. This is 15. So this is 1, 2, 3, 5. Consumer surplus, I have to find what is the decrease in consumer surplus, but decrease in producer surplus is given to me as 600. Matlab, I am given this part. Wherever the equilibrium was, ye wala part. That is what I am already given as 600. So I added the two areas, which means I got the bigger area. And if I subtract 600 from it, I will get 635. So this is this remaining area. So that's my answer. Decrease in consumer surplus is 635. So here they have given 645. So this is incorrect. Decrease the equilibrium quantity from 6,000 to 5,880 per bag. There is no way, according to this question, to find out what my initial and final quantities were. I am not given the demand and supply functions. So I am not sure what the initial and final quantity were. They just tell me that the gap is 120. That can be between 600 and 480 also. So I don't know that. So this is not known. Decreases total surplus from 3,000 to 1,800. See, the decrease in total surplus is only called deadweight loss. So the decrease in total surplus is actually 15. So this is incorrect. So the answer is D.